Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Plasticity, FreeCAD, and Fusion 360. Plasticity, FreeCAD, and Fusion 360 are three popular CAD tools, each suited for different types of users and projects. Plasticity is a beginner-friendly 3D modeling software that is simple and easy to use. It has an intuitive interface, allowing users to create models quickly without a steep learning curve. The software is lightweight and runs smoothly on most computers, making it ideal for small projects. While it lacks advanced simulation and manufacturing tools, it is perfect for hobbyists and rapid prototyping. FreeCAD is a free, open-source CAD software that offers powerful parametric modeling tools. It allows users to modify designs easily by going back and editing previous steps. The software is highly customizable, making it ideal for engineers, makers, and budget-conscious users. While it may take a time to learn and the interface is less polished, it provides professional-level features without cost. Fusion 360 is a professional-grade CAD software that combines 3D modeling, simulation, and manufacturing tools in one platform. It supports parametric, direct, and surface modeling, making it suitable for engineers and product designers. The software includes cloud-based collaboration and version control, which is great for team projects. While it requires a subscription and more powerful hardware, it offers a polished interface and advanced features. Overall, Plasticity is the best for beginners, FreeCAD for budget-conscious makers, and Fusion 360 for professional users needing advanced features. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.